restore Office 365 mailbox data backup into Office 365 account. Let's start the video. Go to Google and enter SysTools, Office 365 Backups and Restored. Click on the link shown on your device screen. Click on the download button. Then install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. On top of the software, there is a backup and restore buttons. Select as per the need. For now, I am selecting the restore button and proceed, selecting Outlook as a source. In the destination platform, there are three options as G Suite, Office 365, and O365 Archive. I am moving to Next, with G Suite as the destination platform. Below down, in the workload section, here, emails, documents, contacts, and calendar, as options are displayed. Select as per the need. After selecting the field, there is a date filter displayed. To download the particular date change data, click on the Next button and move to the source panel, Source Domain. Here users have to select the PST file, by clicking on the Browse button, and select from the saved location. After selecting the PST file, click on the Validate button, to validate the permissions. Here we have done with the source domain. Move to the destination domains. Here, enter your admin emails, application ID and certificate file. Enter the here P12 file, now same as. Click on the Validate button, to validate the permissions. Move to the user panel. There user has three options, which are Fetch User, Import User, and Download Template. For now, I am moving to the Fetched User. Here the alert comes up. This option will fetch the user from the configured source account. Click on the Continue button. All the configured users are listed here. Here if you want to migrate a few users as a priority base, then click on the star. Show the selected user. This option will show the selected user, and listed them, in the first few rows. And if the user wants to search for any user, simply enter the ID here, in search bar. Then enter the destination emails in the required field. Now click on the Validate button. Here in the destination permission, user can see the icons in green dots. And if the user wants to download the report, click on the Start Restored button, to proceed. There is also a Stop Restored button, click on it. User can check and preview the status under the Complete tab. And if the user wants to download the report, click on the Download Report button. This option provides two options. Summary Report. This will download a single CSV file containing migration reports, of all the selected users for migration. And, Rest is a detailed report. This option will save the detailed migration report, of the mailboxes you want. Select the mailbox and click on the Download button. Now move to the next option, which is Rerun Restored. Click on the button. Three options listed down, which are Retry Failed Items. This option restored the item that failed during the process. Rerun Full Restored. This option reruns the entire performance again. Delta Restored. To restore data from a new Outlook data file into the account. Here we have done with the restored process.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.